It's your instructor, Gerard Dyson, here to give you a great lesson in golf to try to help you as a rookie lower your score. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I just want to say thank you first of all for so many views on the last two videos, and if you didn't get the notification of the last video, don't forget to hit the bell beside the subscribe button. Now, I know that you've seen the title of the lesson, and I know you're about to say, instructor, you better not say anything bad about my grandmother, but just know I love grandma too, and we all know that she's the matriarch of the family. But in this lesson, I want to make sure that when we go to the golf course, you're not out there looking and doing dance moves like grandma. So let me change clothes. Too comfortable. That's a lot better. Now let's go ahead and get into today's lesson. Okay, for this lesson, you're going to need an exercise ball. If you don't have an exercise ball, I will put the links below so that you can get one maybe in 2 to 3 days if you order it from the site I recommend. Now, let me tell you a quick story. So when I was on the golf course this weekend, I seen a lot of guys coming back in their backswing. They'll move this way, and then when they come back through, they're shifting their hips back that way. Now, the only person I remember doing anything like that was Grandma, when she would get up at the chair at the cookout because her favorite song would come on. Now, we know Grandma couldn't move her waist like we need to do on the golf course. Grandma could only do one thing, and that would move her hips from side to side. And everybody say, yeah, Grandma, but on the golf course, that's not what we're going to do. Okay? So, this medicine ball is going to be able to help you so that when you set up in your swing and you come back with your backswing, you're not leaning, you're just turning your waist. And then you're coming back through with a swing. So let's do that again. You're going to be sitting up in your golf swing, coming back with a backswing, and then hitting the ball out like this. Not one time should this ball fall on the ground. Now what I was seeing on the golf course when I say grandma is they moving side to side. They're coming back, ball's falling, boom, and then they're coming back this way. And just like I told you in the last lesson, you end up hitting behind the ball, or you may not even hit the ball at all. So, this is going to be a good drill for you. Exercise ball, practice a backswing. You don't need a club. If you want to put a golf club in your hand, you can, but you don't have to. Now let's go out to the course so that you can see me actually use that and apply that type of drill on the actual golf course. Looks pretty good. If you like what you heard, please subscribe down low at the bottom. The links are below. Hope that helped your game. Hope to see you out there and lowering your score.